Hello guys, today I'll be making a quick rice noodle soup and this is my version. Here are the ingredients: Beansprouts, garlic, coriander leaves, spring onions, coriander roots, chicken bones, ground chicken, chili oil, rice noodles soaked in water, boiled eggs, star anise, salt, pepper, and let's start. Here I have a pan of boiling water and this is how I make my broth. I place the chicken bones, added the star anise, the coriander roots, pepper, salt, soy sauce, and bring to a boil. Then add the minced chicken. Stir and keep stirring. Add sugar, fish sauce to taste. Meanwhile, cook the noodles in a separate pot of boiling water until they become soft. Then remove from the pan and dip into the soup that we just made for a few seconds. This gives flavor to the noodles. Then let's assemble the dish. Put the noodles in a bowl. Top with spring onions, coriander leaves, garlic. Oops, sorry guys, I forgot to show you how I fried my garlic. Chili, eggs, beansprouts, and the soup that we just made. Looks yummy, right? Let's dig in. Thank you guys for watching and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.